Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the channel, and I want to show you this product I just received by Hinne. It is a portable charger and also a fast charger. 22.5 watts is the super fast charging speed, 15 watt charging for wireless. You can see the back here gives you all the specifications. This is a 1,000 milliamp battery in this thing. This is a really big battery, so it's a really nice size. Let's take a look at it together, see what we have. It's a really nice quality item. Take a look together. So it does come with the USB-C charger, as you can see here in my hand. This is what it comes with, which is really good for fast charging, which is super important. Comes with little instructions. They're very easy to understand. I'm going to show you how to use it, actually, so it'll be a lot easier for you to get through it. Comes just like you see. Little paper here. Just take this paper off. Just like you see here. Now this is the actual device itself. So this does two different ways. It has USB-C charging output and also USB charging, or you can do it with your magnet. So you can actually attaches right to your phone, as you can see here, like that. So if you have a MagSafe phone, this is going to work perfectly. So the way you turn it on, super easy. Just tap it once. So you can see it says 100%. So when that's on, you can see the little lightning cable right there. That means you can charge your phone through the USB-C or the lightning USB-C or the actual USB cable itself. Either way, you can charge it. If you need to charge it through the MagSafe, you have to make sure it's on. You see a little thing flashing right here. I'll show you right there again. And you attach it to your phone. Just like you see here, and hopefully you can see that. Let me turn it around. That way you can see it. So you can see it's actually showing you that it is charging the phone. So you can charge the phone, and you can also charge an external device as well. It's hooked up, it's working. You can see it's actually charging through the MagSafe. And I'll show you my phone right here. It is charging right here on the green. So definitely recommend this. Really fast charger. It works quite well. It's handy. Keep in your pocket. It charges up to 100% within 20 minutes, 25 minutes, it was fully charged. I got it around 50% charged. And to shut it down, you just hold the button down if you want to just keep the power off, and it powers down. Simple as that. 22.5 watt power, fast charging, all compact, made by this company. They did send it to me to do a review on, and I think this is a fantastic quality product. I like the way it's made. It works great. And if you're looking for a quick portable charger, I think this is the way to go. Thanks for watching.